In today's video, I will teach you how to soften photos for a dreamy feel in Lightroom. Let's get started. A dreamy soft focus effect can make your photos look ethereal, romantic, and cinematic. By adjusting clarity, glow, and colors, you can create a beautiful soft focus look in Lightroom. The first step is lowering clarity and texture for soft glow. To do this, open the Develop module, and in the Basic panel, reduce the clarity at around -10 to -50 to soften the edges and textures. Then reduce the texture to around -5 to -30 to give skin and objects a softer look, but make sure to keep details slightly visible to avoid making the image look blurry. The second step is adjusting highlights and shadows for a glowy effect. To do this, increase the whites at around 10 to 30 to add glow. Then reduce the highlights to -10 to -30 to soften bright areas. Then raise the shadows at around 10 to 40 for a balanced airy feel. This creates soft light transitions instead of harsh contrasts. The third step is using split toning for a dreamy color palette. To do this, go to the color grading panel, then adjust the highlights by adding a warm pastel. And for shadows, you can add a soft blue or purple tint. This gives a gentle fairy tale-like glow to your photo. The fourth step is adding blur with the Orton effect. To do this, duplicate the photo in Lightroom by pressing Command' on Mac or Control' on Windows. Then apply a radial filter or simply press Shift-M and use it over the subject. Then lower the clarity and dehaze inside the filter. Then slightly raise the exposure in whites for a glowing effect. This mimics the dreamy Orton effect used in cinematic photography. The fifth step is adding a soft vignette and grain for depth. To do this, go to the Effects panel, then add a subtle vignette at around -10 to -30 to create a dreamy focal point. Then increase the grain at around 10 to 30 to add texture for a film-like effect. A light vignette helps focus attention on the subject and enhances the mood. And for final touches for the ultimate dreamy look, use the radial filters to softly brighten the face or subject. Then add a soft glow in the tone curve by lifting shadows. Then slightly increase the temperature at around 5 to 15 for a golden hour feel. By following these steps, you can give your photos a soft, dreamy, ethereal look in Lightroom, perfect for portraits, landscapes, and romantic shots. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.